more dock. Yeah, super nice. There's a world-famous trash can. Yeah, go ahead and record, take all the pictures you want. Oh, this is the confusing part, though. Dock, dork, dock, dork, dock, dock, goose. Berry preserves. That'll be $39.99. I hope you enjoyed your cruise today. I'm just kidding. Hey, toss them in. Feet first this time, please. Feet first. Don't want to repeat it yesterday. Watch your head and step, everyone. Welcome aboard. You, sir, get to sit by my disgusting shoe. My birthday gift to you. Awesome. Shouldn't smell that bad. I showered last month. Oh, no closer than that, though. No, the other way. I said no closer. Yeah. You're in the splash zone right now. Not a good place to be. Well, it's not a water ride. I just spit a ton when I talk. It's pretty gross. Sprinkler. It's crazy. Come on in, guys. Watch your head and step. Make sure you stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of the boat throughout our entire journey. As soon as these last few visitors are seated, we'll be good to get underwater. Oh, I'm sorry. Underway. Underwater was my last boat. That's all beneath us now. Don't worry about it. It's behind us. That's what I meant. You know Freudian slips, right? Clear. You say one thing, you mean your mother, your brother, another. Okay, just wave goodbye to all those beautiful people on the dock. Now wave goodbye to those average-looking skippers. Be nice. Now, if you'll wave goodbye to all my fans. You see them on the ceiling, right? Yeah, they're really nice. We just installed them. Like I said, please stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, legs, fanny packs, hair extensions, magic bands inside of the boat. If you're traveling with little ones, why? But also watch them, okay? Little ones, go ahead and watch your parents, too. I don't trust them either. My name is Kelsey. I'll be your skipper for the next 2 weeks. Your lion tamer, your snake charmer, your marriage counselor, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor. Oh, that almost sounded genuine. Thank you. We're going to start our journey at Inspiration Falls. It's over here on your left. Now, people often ask me why we call it Inspiration Falls. It's because the longer you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go. Into the jungle. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Yeah, that's inspiration if I ever heard it. We're now on the Congo River. We're going to see how far this boat can go. The jokes only get worse from here. If you haven't seen the Jungle Book, don't worry. It's right there. It's the 3D version. Super nice. Oh, and speaking of nice, the Pygmies have planned a party. It's supposed to be a ton of fun. There might even be a DJ. Oh, that's really awkward. Sorry, all I see are those empty canoes. I wonder what scared everyone away. I don't see anyone. Canoe? Oh my gosh! Thank you so much. Most people don't warn me. You'd be surprised. Anybody know what kind of snake that was? It starts with a P. Plastic. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. My in-laws are still here. This is unbelievable. I keep asking them to leave, but we all know they never do they? But hey, on the bright side, I was having car troubles. They got it to turn over. Must have used a monkey wrench. Or maybe they called AAA. I'm not really sure. We're on the Nile River now. It's the longest river in the world. Just goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. If you don't believe me, you might be in
denial.
Disbelief, actually. That's what I was thinking of. Oh, this is Peanut. Check this out. Peanut, stay. Good boy. He's a genius. Peanut's an African bull elephant. African bull elephants are the fastest animals in the jungle, running up to speeds of 33 miles per hour. Up ahead and on your right is the Great African Veldt. If you look all the way in the back, you'll see some really tall cheetahs. Those things with the horns in front of them, those are weird-looking cows. Oh, we got some reindeer back there. And, oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, those lions are protecting that sleeping zebra. Oh, how sweet. There's kids on board. Oh, wow. looks dead. Tired. Dead tired. That's what I meant. We're gonna let him rest in peace. Holy moly! Guys, that rhino ran an entire safari up that tree. I even warned them. I said, hey, don't try to outrun rhinos. They're a lot faster than they look. You know, they're actually the fastest animals in the jungle. They can run up to speeds of 33 miles per hour. That thing with the spots, that was my friend Ina. Everyone say hi, Ina.
Hi, Ina.
Yeah, she's the laughing stock of the group. We've reached the educational portion of the cruise. This is where I like to point out the plants that we have here. Yeah, up ahead is Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. If you forget the name, that's alright. We're going over it later. You might feel some mist on your face. Interesting to note that mist contains over 400 types of tropical bacteria. You're welcome. Oh, a lot of people ask me how I landed my job here. Pretty plain to see I took a crash course. Only caught the tail end of it, so I've been winging it ever since. But you know what a down clean in the jungle means? Hippos. That's right. We're entering a pool of dangerous hippopotami. But don't worry, okay? I'm going to scare them away the same way I scared away my last boyfriend. I love you. I want you to meet my parents. Yeah, that works every time. We're going into headhunter territory. This is a terrible place to be headed. If you don't believe me, you can ask my last cruise. That's them right there. Yeah, a bunch of boneheads, right? Oh, you see the way the natives are dancing? That means they lost the key to the restroom again. And there's George. George, no, you don't move your head. You move your arms to play the drum. It's the easiest instrument. Over here on the left, it's our local jungle theater troupe putting on a performance of Frozen. Oh, wow. Seems like the first time in forever that they've done that. But you know what? We're going to let it go and focus up here because, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Give it up for the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. O2H, O2H, O2H. Thank you. We're now in the Mekong River in Southeast Asia. An earthquake blocked our normal entrance, so I'm going to have to take us through this new one. But guys, this new one is Mekong me very scared. Are there any dentists on board? Oh, no, okay. Well, hopefully he taught you some stuff, because we're going through a root canal.
Root canal.
Raise your hand if you're not all here. It's not just me. Take that, Mom. We're now in the ancient Indian elephant bathing pool. If you have cameras and you'd like to take pictures, now's the time to do it. They all have their trunks on. And, you know, a lot of people think that's water coming out of their trunks. It's not. Just disgusting, right? Man. Hey, you want to know something really cool about those Indian elephants? Oh, no. Okay, stop! Goose, I'm kidding. Anyways, as I was saying, those Indian elephants are actually the fastest animals in the jungle. They can run up to speeds of 33 miles per hour. Surprised you didn't know that. We do have one more stop on our cruise today. It's by my friend Trader Sam. There he is on the left with the broken umbrella. Sam's our head businessman here in the jungle. Sales have been shrinking, so he has a great deal going on. 2 of his heads for the price of yours. That's right, any way you slice it or dice it, you're coming out ahead. As we approach the dock, remember to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of the boat. Folks, we've laughed together. We've cried together, and with my driving, we very nearly died together, so I feel like we've become a family. We've become very close. So, oh, we are roping this boat? Okay, cool. So, just give me 1 second. We're going to have Skipper Bill back there just wrangle this boat really quick. Stay seated for me.
Rope secure!
Rope secure. Anyways, as I was saying, we laughed, we cried, we very nearly died. We're now a family. We're all caught up. So I'm going to tell you the same thing my parents told me on my 18th birthday. They sat me down, they said, Kelsey, your free ride's over, get out. But I'm nicer than my parents. Please get out. Go ahead and stand up, alright? It does help balance out the boat. Kitty applause! No, stop. Really don't stop. This is all I have. Don't cross those crates. It's not a crate idea. Be a crate, Tashby.